Okay, today I'm talking to Vicki. And Vicki, you just got done with the Healthy Posture class. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling great.
Good. And how long have you been with me?
I've been with you about 6 months.
6 months. And what changes have you noticed? You said that you were up north and your family moved you down here because they were concerned about you. Is that right?
Yes.
And tell me about that.
Down here, and my husband wasn't well, so I've had to go through that, and also I couldn't get myself up off the floor.
Okay.
I would have to crawl over to a chair or something to get up.
And now?
Now I can get up and down just fine.
Wow.
And I can do anything I want to, clean my own house, which my family is very surprised at.
You said you did some gardening the other day. Is that right?
Oh, I've been trimming my hedge.
Okay.
And I've been out there getting up off the ground, back and forth. And
Wow. You told me about the breathing. You said that when you used to go to the doctor's offices,
they were trying to tell me to blow out, and I couldn't blow out. I couldn't figure out how to do that. And since I've been coming to this class, I've figured out how to blow out so I can rid my body of the
toxins and increase your lung capacity, because that's real important, isn't it?
So I need to do that very
Excellent.
much. So.
Has the breathing been helping you during your daily life as well?
Oh yes, because I walk my dog every day and I breathe this breathing while I'm doing that, and it works great.
Thank you so much, Vicki. Thank you.